yesterday, did a fair amount with it. But I want to show you, I want to demonstrate a few things that are perhaps of interest. When it gets down to debugging a program that's involved with pointers, what is a pointer? That's the first question. What is a pointer?
Holds an address.
Variable holds an address.
Variable that holds an address.
I'm sorry?
A variable that holds an address.
Okay, so a variable is an address, right? It's a location in memory. And at that address, we have an address. Okay? So addresses are how long? How big are addresses?
30.
Are they 64-bit?
32.
8 bits long? 27? How many bytes are there?
Operating system dependent.
Pardon me?
Operating system dependent.
Operating system dependent, but for the most part, we're talking about a
32.
32-bit quantity. Right? A 32-bit quantity. It's an address, and as an address, it can be real confusing.
Contains 4.
When we do dynamic allocation of memory, and we treat that memory that we've allocated as a variable, it no longer has a symbolic name, right? It no longer has a symbolic name. The symbolic name like X, or in this case, PTR chars, what PTR chars points to is an anonymous variable. It doesn't have a name. Right? So we need to be comfortable when we get into this stuff in doing debugging and actually looking at memory and at memory addresses. And so I want to spend a little time today talking about how you do that and what you do. There's some interesting things with Visual Studio 2010 that let us or support us in doing that. Before we start that kind of lecture, let's do the roll. Max, you're here. Jackie, you're here. Justin Davis, you're here. Ken Dyer is here. Ian Gessner. No, Ian Gessner. Dwight Holland. No, Dwight Holland. Justin Ivy, right here. Dakota Canner. Jen Lind. Daniel